Hello and welcome to the lecture on define and call the destructor. This is a very simple example because destructor you don't have a control to call it. So it's called automatically. So let's define a class, a post class, and then we'll try to just see how the destructors are called. Okay. So let's okay. So these two underscores are important. This is where it indicates a magic method. Okay, so let's execute this. Okay, so you see constructor and destructor are called automatically, and we have not made any calls to the constructor and destructor. It's automatically been called from the program itself. And when the destructor is called, when the program finishes, right before that it makes sure all the destructors has been called from the classes, and if there are any activities in it, it will basically do that activity from the destructor. Okay, so these are the very good placeholders for you. Okay, the constructor placeholder is basically to initialize the value, and destructor is basically close the connection or empty the space. So that's the main purpose of constructor and destructor, and you have to understand these are magic methods, and the constructor is called when the instance is created, and the destructor is called right before the object is destroyed. Okay, so that's all this lecture for define and calling in destructor, and I'll see you in the next one.